Here are 5 powerful reasons to keep our streets clean and litter-free. Litter attracts disease-bearing pests like rats, especially food wrappers tossed from cars. Yuck! Wildlife can get trapped in jars and containers. It's heartbreaking and preventable. Litter travels from streets to streams, polluting our rivers and harming aquatic life. Trash can clog storm drains, leading to flooding in our neighborhoods. Clean spaces boost community pride and mental well-being. Everyone wins. Let's all do our part. Don't litter. Our community deserves better.